Hey AI, I want to learn something new about plastic.
Building blocks of stuff. What is plastic made of? We use plastic for so many things, from toys to bottles. But have you ever wondered what this useful material is made of? Plastic is made from special stuff that comes mostly from oil, a liquid found underground. These materials are changed in factories to become the different kinds of plastic we use every day. Let's explore what makes up plastic. Most plastic starts as oil found deep underground. This oil is sent to factories where it is changed into different materials. These materials are called polymers, which are like long chains of tiny parts. Different types of polymers make different kinds of plastic, some hard and some soft. Sometimes, other things like colors are added to the plastic to make it look different. If you liked this video about plastic, leave a comment and tell us what else you'd like to learn. Let's learn something new.